having some troubles with the box blade. Let me zoom out so that way you guys can understand what the arms are adjusted so they're really high. When I set the box blade down, it doesn't completely touch flat. Okay, so the way to do that is we're gonna unbolt the arms and we're gonna drop them. But before I do all of that, I wanted to make a grind mark so that way I know where the original position is. So the way that we're gonna do that is we're just gonna simply notch it. Here we go. So now that I've notched it, we're gonna unbolt everything and we're gonna drop it 2 notches. So here we go. How am I gonna do this? Don't quite know how to do this. So I guess we're gonna do this. Yeah. Okay. That's good. Yeah. See, it's not all the way down. It's like this one. So that's what we're working on right now. All right, now that I've loosened my 17 mil, I thought it was an 18, but it's a 17. I'm gonna remove, there is a 12 right here. God, man. All right. Jeez, guys. That's pretty tough. All right, so here's what I'm doing. Quickly, because it's dark, it's getting dark. We've got grease. We're gonna put the grease inside here. All we're doing is moving it a tooth. That one tooth is gonna give us enough clearance what we're looking for. Just using my finger, get it nice and in there good. And then we're gonna do the same thing over here. Get the grease. nice and just smeared through, so that way we minimize the friction of it going. Let's do passenger side. All right, that's done. Okay. Okay, good. Let's put the arms on. All right. Get our arms on. Okay. Let's get our pins in. All right. Get. So this job shouldn't take that long. Anything that I do seems to take a long time. All right. Last thing is we've got to put this swivel thing on. Let me move these over. It is a number 12. I've got the 12 and my torque wrench. Okay, good. Let's start it up and see if it lifts the way that I want it to lift. Okay. All right, it's doing exactly everything that I wanted. I'm gonna go test drive it. We'll see you guys on the next one.